Techie Flanders here. Welcome back to my channel where I'm showing you what I did to make this website using Bootstrap. I'm showing you everything that I did. So when I started, I set up the last video and I created this. But then I remembered that Bootstrap has a starter template and you don't have to create that manually. So I came to the Bootstrap website, click on documentation, and then I selected the starter template. This one. So I copied the code, came back to my file, delete everything I had, and then pasted the starter template. And there I am with my starter template. Why this is important is I'm able to use the Bootstrap CDN where Bootstrap 4.4.1 is hosted. The CSS is hosted, and I'm able to use other libraries like jQuery, which will enable me to make the website better. Okay, so if I save this, I'm able to refresh my website and see what I have now. I have hello world. This is responsive and this is made with Bootstrap. So from here now I can change to the title. I can change it to my website. Save that, refresh, and you can see here this is my website. From there, then I thought, what else do I need? I need a navigation. Every website needs a navigation. And what do? Bootstrap has pre-built components, so I don't have to build them again. So I went back to Bootstrap and checked for navigation. From the left, there's components, and under components, I chose the navigation bar, the nav bar. And from the nav bar, I'm able to see different types, and I can choose the one I want. So for my website, I selected a nav bar that is very nice looking, and this is it. Not that one, not that one. I selected, so I selected this. Yes, not that. Let us check the nav bar navigation. This one, I selected this one, so I copied the code. I came to my website here and pasted my code. So you can see if I save this and I come to my website here, I will have a navigation. As you can see, it is responsive. If I reduce the size of the window, you can see I have my menu here. Okay, and that is how I started my navigation bar. But all these are just the random Bootstrap entries, so I need mine. And as you can see, my website has home, about us, why us, the team, and a link, a button to join us. So I came here and changed, this is home, so I changed these features to about. Okay, then pricing I changed to why us. Okay, and then I copied this link again and I put it here, and I wrote the contact us, contact. But I deleted this link because it's disabled, so I don't need a disabled link on my site. So I have home, about, wires, team. Okay, let us add team here. Team, this is our team. Okay, and when I save all that, now I can refresh and you can see I have all these links. But then I have to move this to the right and add my button. And to do that, first I add the button here. So this will be but instead of a link, it will be a button, btn. Okay, btn dash. Let us use warning this time for the color. Okay, and here we are going to have join us as a name for the button. Join us. Okay, but we also need these links to go to the far left side. So I came to where the links start, somewhere here, as you can see here. Okay, and I send this to margin left dash outer, and I hope this will work. I hope this works. Yes, you can see I have my links on the left, on the right, that is, and I have my join us button. But now I need to leave a margin here and a margin at the end to replicate what I have here. So this navigation, I put it inside a div dash container. So div, a div of class container. So many eyes. Oh my, container. Okay, and when I save that, you will be able to see that my website will leave a margin. You see there's a margin here and a margin here, but then I need to maintain this color, this gray color here and here. So I come back here and I add another class, okay, of container dash fluid. Then I close that also, that div, and I save. But then this class of container fluid, I need to give it the same color as this navigation bar. So I refresh here, and now you can see I've maintained this color, which is the same color as this. Okay, now the navigation bar, we need to change this nav bar to our name. So let us call this bootstrap boots school. So that is our name, and you can see now it's boot school. And join us, asking anyone to join us. We have our menu here, and we shall continue in the next class. I'll show you the next thing that I did on my website to make it look good and to make it more appealing. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like the video, and share, and I will see you in the next video.